Hello friends! Warm welcome to this video. Automating Instagram post scheduling. Do you struggle to post on Instagram at the right time every day? Scheduling helps automate uploads without missing peak hours. It saves time and removes posting pressure completely. Let's begin the setup now. Open the Instagram app on your phone. From the top, tap on the plus Create button. From your gallery, select the photo or video you want to post. From the top right corner, tap on Next. After editing, tap on Next again. Scroll down and tap on More options. Under Sharing Prefrences, tap on Schedule this post. From the Date selector, choose your posting day. From the Time selector, choose your posting time. From the bottom, tap on Done. Go back and tap on Schedule. Now, your Instagram posts will publish automatically, saving time while keeping your content consistent and professional. Please do not forget to like this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. Press the bell icon to get updates on new tech support videos. Thank you for watching this video.